Okay, good morning, Miss.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to do the evaluation about all the questions that you have made, that you have prepared for the last final test. Now we can start from science first. Okay, so here are the questions. Please answer this one, Miss.
Number one, what that has not dissolved with other substance, it's called, I'm sorry, where is the option, sir? Oh, in here. Pure water. Number two, river and lake are example of B, fresh water. Three, something that remains unchanged or steady, it's C, constant. Four, what is the main effect of burning fossil fuels to our body? It's C, releasing smoke particles. Number five, which is not the following effect of acid rain below? It's A, make plants growing well. Six, what
Sorry,
is
Miss. Number 4. What is it?
four?
Yes.
What is the main effect of burning fossil fuel to our body? A, causing breathing difficulties.
Oh, doesn't.
Five, which is not the five already. Yeah.
Number 6.
Six, what is the main effect of the harmful gases released into the air as mentioned in the image? It's C, driving heat and increasing of Earth's temperature. Number seven, what are some examples of pollutant? It's D, gases released from vehicles and plastic. Like, what happened when plastic waste is thrown in the ocean? It's B. And then nine, what should we do to reduce the use of plastic items? Um, A.
A. Reduce the use of plastic items. Okay. Uh, so this is about the pollutions, and we go to the next chapter. Is about planet.
Movement of the Earth.
Oh, movement of the Earth. Okay. Can start from question number 18.
How long does it take for the Earth's orbit to the sun once? It's A, 365 days. What do we call object in space that orbit planets? It's satellites, see? And then 20, what does the red line around Earth in the diagram represent? It's the moon's orbit.
Moon's orbit. Okay, number 21.
21, which of the following are the four moons of Jupiter discovered by Galileo? It's A, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto.
Next, 22.
22, when did the Hubble Space Telescope begin orbiting Earth? It's C, 1990. Number 23, which satellite helps us find direction from one place to another? It's C, GPS satellite. Number 24, how many pictures has the Hubble Space Telescope taken? It's C, more than 1,000,000. 25, why is the ISS important to the scientists? It's B, it helps scientists to do experiments in the space.
Okay. So you have 5 true and false. Okay, number 1.
Burning the fossil fuels can release smoke particles and harm gases. It's true.
Okay.
Number 2, engineer person who design and build things. It's true. Tilted, it's straight and leaning to two sides. It's false. The Earth
So what is the reason of this one?
because tilt is not straight and leaning to one side only.
Leaning to one side. Okay.
The Earth's orbit around the sun is clockwise in the direction it's false because the sun is anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Yes.
Okay, number 5.
Jupiter moons have been named is over 70. It's false because Jupiter moons have been named is over 50, not 70.
Oh, okay. Question number 1.
How does pollution affect the animal? The pollution make our environment dirty. So can harm the living things. So animals that live in the pollution environment can also be die. Number 2, mention to benefit by using electric vehicles for our environment. It reduce sound pollution because electric vehicle less sound, and then electric vehicle reduce air pollution because has no emission.
Okay. Next, number 3.
What can you do as a student to reduce the pollution harm our environment? We can recycle the paper, can, or plastic, and then throw the trash properly and don't litter. And also we can take a bus or bike or walking instead of just riding. And also we can plant a trees or flower that help air become clean.
Okay, next, number 4.
For describe the relationship between tilt of Earth's axis and of changing the season. Tilt of the Earth axis, it can make different part of in the Earth. One part get more sunlight and the one is less of sunlight, so that the season change during the year. Number 5, what is the differences between natural satellite and man-made satellite? Natural satellite is made by process it's made by natural process, and then the natural satellite have their own orbit naturally, and then the man-made satellite is made by human, and also this man-made satellite have a function to do communicating, the predict weather, or navigating.
Okay, now we move to math. Okay, here are the question. Please answer this one.
Okay. Number 1, a fruit basket contains 15 pieces of fruit. 7 of them are apples and the rest are oranges. What is the proportion of apple in the basket? It's A, 7 out of 15. Number 2, in a class of 25 students, 15 students wear glasses. What fraction of the students wear glasses? It's 15 out of 25B.
Okay, number 3.
Okay. A bag of marbles has 30 marbles in total. There are 10 red marbles, 12 blue marbles, and 8 green marbles. What is the proportion of blue marbles? It's 12 out of 30.
12 out of 30. Okay, number 4.
A piece of ribbon is 2.5 meters long. If you need 5 pieces of ribbon for a craft project, what is the total length of ribbon you will need? It's C, 12.5 meter.
How do you find the answer?
2.5 times 5
Okay,
pieces of ribbon.
2.5 times 5. Okay. Number 5.
A small bottle holds 0.75 liters of juice. If you buy 6 such bottles for a party, what is the total volume of juice you will have? C, 4.50 liter. It's same with the number 4 question. We need to multiply.
Okay, number 6.
Each step on a staircase is 0.2 meters high. If there are 12 steps in a total, what is the total height of the staircase?
A is 2.0.
It's 2.4 meter.
Okay, 2.4. Okay, so number 7 start to talking about the proportion. Please answer this one, number 7.
Okay. A class conduct a survey on our favorite pets. The result are 18 students like dogs, 10 students like cats, and 7 students like fish. What is the proportion of students who like cats? It's B, 10 out of 35.
10 out of 35. Next.
Number 8, can you make it? Yeah. Out of 40 students, in a club, 28 students play soccer and 15 students play basketball. 8 students play both soccer and basketball. How many students play only soccer? It's C, 20.
20. How to get the answer?
Okay, it is because there is 28 students play soccer, and then both it's 8. So play soccer minus by both, it's 28 minus 8, 20.
It's 20. Number 9.
Okay, number 9. What is the total number of books read by all students combined? All of it is 35.
So you just need to combine this one all.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, number 10.
Okay, number 10, what was the temperature at the Wednesday? It's 71.
Oh, so this is the degree of
Yeah,
temperature. Okay.
yeah. What was the temperature at the Thursday? It's 81 Fahrenheit.
12.
What days the temperature 76 Fahrenheit is Sunday.
Sunday 76. Okay. Number 14.
Oh, 14.
Yeah.
Which of these example of categorical data is B sweetness of bananas? The data 10 tomatoes is an example which type of data is discrete.
Okay, please answer this one. The coordinate.
Okay.
19.
Okay, where is the coordinate of the duck? It's 6E. A. Where is the coordinate of grandma? Grandma in here, so 7 point A. 7A.
7A. Okay. Now we move to true and false. Please answer this one.
Okay. If Sarah buys 4 apples and 7 bananas, the ratio of the number is 4 out of 7. It's true. And then
4
if,
to 7 actually. 4
yeah,
to 7.
oh sorry, 4 to 7.
Yeah.
If the ratio of apple to oranges is 2 to 5, there are 8 apples and there are 20 oranges. It's true.
How to find this one?
We need to make it into the different part, and then 2 times 4, 5 times 4.
Okay, 2 times 4, so that you got 8
8,
apples.
yes.
Okay. Number
If
3.
the mango tree is at 2.5 and the papaya tree is at 3.7, which is closer to the y-axis? It's 2.5 mango tree.
Mango tree. Okay. Number 4.
If the mango tree is at the 5.4 and the papaya tree is at 2.3, which is the closer to the x-axis? It's papaya tree. So it's, oh yeah.
Okay, so this one before is true or false?
Oh, this one is false.
Okay, number 4.
This one is false also.
X-axis. Okay. Okay. Number 5.
A bar graph showing frequency of the data is called pictogram. It's false because pictogram is show a bar with a picture.
Okay, a bar graph showing frequency of data is called pictogram. So what is a bar graph showing frequency of data actually?
A bar graph showing frequency of the data, it can be line, what yeah, bar line, something like that.
Bar line or
Diagram.
sorry?
Diagram.
What kind of diagram?
Diagram line.
There is no diagram line actually. Only the
Bar chart.
bar chart. Okay, a bar graph showing the frequency of data. So it's bar chart. Okay, it's bar chart. So this pictogram is
False.
kind of diagram that shows data with picture, right?
Yes.
Number 1.
Okay, 3 out of 20 notebooks are green. What is the proportion of green notebooks in percentage? It's 3 out of 20 times 100. So equal 40%.
40%?
Yes.
It's not 40% actually.
Oh, sorry, 15%.
15%. Okay, 15%. Number 2.
Lina buys some mangoes and bananas. The total number of fruit is 18. The proportion of the mango is 5 out of 18. What is the proportion of bananas? Okay, the bananas total is 18. So 18 minus 5. So 18 minus 5 is 13. 13 out of 18. It is the proportion of the bananas.
Okay, next number 3.
The first one we need to draw the diagram, Venn diagram. But in the class kan there is 30 student. So we put at the one diagram it's 12 in English and 7 in the both and 15 in the history. there is how many students is that is not like English or history. The first one we need to count is 12 minus 7, and then
Wait first, let me take the marker for you. Okay, please read the question first, miss, then answer directly.
okay, there is a 30 student. 12 student like English, we can minus with 7 student like both English and history, equal 5. And then 15 student, 15 student like history, also minus with 7 like both, equal 8. And then there is a 7 student like both English and history. So we can put in the diagram like this. English, it's 5, both it's 7, and then history it's 8. So how many people that not like English and history? We can count plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 equal 20. So 30 student minus 20 equal 10 student.
Okay, so 10 students.
Don't like English or history.
So in the Venn diagram, the 10 students, where should we
Here.
divide here? Okay, so the five students, what it means of the 5 students? Who are this? Who are they? The 5
English like English, and this 8 is history. And
So
this one is
what is the difference between like English, this like English is 12, and there are 5 students that like English as well.
It is because when we want to put in the diagram, we need to minus this first so that the diagram is the finished result.
Yeah, I mean you got the 5 one, right? You got 5 here. What is mean by 5 here?
5 students only like English.
Oh yeah, that's what I mean actually. So there are difference between students like English and the students that like only English, right?
Yes.
The students that like only English, it means the students only like one subject only.
Yes.
So these 12 students that like English, there is a probability some of the students like another subject.
Yes.
Okay. Next to number 4. Yeah.
Number 4, Sari has 50 market, 20 of them are up. The first one, we can make it easier by make it table in here. Kan there is a 50 market. 50 market minus 20. We put the first one. 20 are black. 20 out of 50 times 100. Or is 100? We can divide it. Both of this become 50. This is become 1. 100 divided by 50, it's 2. 20 times 2, it's 40. So 20 blacks is 40%. And then 50 minus 20, it's 30. So the rest are green. 30 markers are green. 30 divided, out of 50 times 100. Also same with another one, we divided by 50. This become 2. 30 times 2 equal 60%.
Yeah, it must be 60%, right? So, in the book, actually, the way to write the frequency table is not like this, right? How to write the frequency table? Could you, because the question is make a frequency table. So, please make a frequency table. Actually.
Black, it's 40%, and green, it's 60%.
Yeah, actually, this is still not complete yet. Could you think what is? There is one more thing that you need to write there.
In the middle, the value of this black.
Yeah, the frequency. Actually, it's okay. So you need to write the frequency in the middle, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, there's frequency, then you write 20, then you write the rest must be 30.
yes.
Number 5.
Why we need to study about coordinate geometry that help us to daily life? Coordinate geometry help us to navigating, to know the precise location, and then to mapping location or so on.
Okay. Now we move to Matematika. Kita mulai dari soal nomor pertama dulu nih tentang bangun datar.
Oke, keempat sisi pada sebuah persegi adalah C, semua sisi sama panjang. Nomor 2, berdasarkan panjang sisinya, segitiga dibedakan menjadi 3 jenis, kecuali segitiga siku-siku. Ada berapa pasang sisi yang sama panjang pada sebuah trapesium sama kaki? Ada 1 pasang.
Oke, sebelumnya untuk pembuatan soal, saya rasa kita perlu perbaiki maksud dari setiap kalimat yang seperti ini. Keempat sisi pada sebuah persegi. Ini mungkin bisa Miss ubah jadi seperti sifat keempat sisi pada sebuah persegi, yaitu ini seperti mengarah ke suatu pernyataan kalau seperti ini. Jadi nanti mungkin bisa membuat siswa sedikit lebih bingung. Oke.
Sifat.
Nomor 5.
Sifat yang dimiliki oleh trapesium adalah C, memiliki setiapnya sepasang sisi sejajar. Bangun datar yang memiliki 2 pasang sisi yang berhadapan sama panjang dan semua sudutnya siku-siku adalah persegi panjang.
2 pasang, oke. Nomor 7.
Oke, jika terdapat satu belah ketupat dengan salah satu sudutnya 80 derajat, maka besar sudut yang berhadapan dengan sudut tersebut adalah B, 80 derajat.
Oke. Nomor 24.
Oke. Jika 7C 700C 4490 lebih besar dari 764.890, maka nilai C yang tidak mungkin adalah C5.
Oke, nomor 25.
Jika 400.000 D 1980 lebih kecil daripada 451.980, maka D yang tidak mungkin adalah 5 B.
Oke. Nomor 1, Miss.
Bangun datar segitiga berdasarkan panjang sisinya, yaitu segitiga sama sisi, segitiga sama kaki, dan segitiga sembarang adalah benar. Lalu segitiga yang salah satu sudutnya memiliki 90 derajat adalah segitiga lancip, salah karena yang memiliki sudut 90 derajat adalah segitiga siku-siku. Lalu jajar genjang yang keempat sisinya sama panjang disebut persegi, salah karena jajar genjang yang keempat sisinya sama panjang bisa dikatakan belah ketupat, bukan persegi.
Oke, belah ketupat.
Diagram batang dapat dibuat dalam 2 bentuk, yaitu diagram batang vertikal dan diagram batang horizontal, benar. Oke, dekomposisi adalah membagi bilangan menjadi faktor-faktor penyusunnya, benar. Jika sebuah segitiga memiliki sudut 50 derajat dan 65 derajat, maka berapakah besar sudut ketiga? Apakah nama sudut tersebut? Jadi yang pertama kita bisa tambahkan 50 derajat ditambah 65 derajat sama dengan 115 derajat. Lalu seluruh sudut segitiga kan ada 180 derajat. 180 derajat dikurang 115 derajat sama dengan 65 derajat. Jadi satu sudut selain 2 sudut ini adalah 65 derajat dan sudut tersebut adalah sudut lancip. Sebutkan dan jelaskan secara...
Ini berarti soal nomor 1 ada 2 soal ya, Miss? Atau 1 soal?
Sebenarnya Satu, Sir. Cuman kan kalau sudah dapat jawaban yang ini, otomatis kita dapat yang bawah. Sorry, yang ini.
Oh, berarti ini apakah nama segitiga berdasarkan sudut-sudut yang barusan diketahui itu?
Iya.
Oke, lanjut nomor 2.
Oke, sebutkan dan jelaskan secara singkat dan dari 3 jenis trapesium. Trapesium sama kaki memiliki dua pasang yang sejajar, lalu 2 sudut yang sama
Dua
besar.
pasang sisi sejajar.
Sorry, 1 pasang yang sejajar atau 2 sisi yang sejajar, lalu memiliki sama panjang dan sudutnya sama besar. Sedangkan trapesium sembarang memiliki satu pasang yang sejajar, namun tidak sama panjang dan sudutnya tidak sama besar. Lalu ada trapesium siku-siku, dua sisinya itu sejajar, namun satu sudutnya siku-siku.
Satu sudutnya yang siku-siku.
Terdapat sudut siku-siku, 2 sudut siku-siku.
Oke. Nomor 3.
Jelaskan langkah-langkah membuat tabel frekuensi dari data nilai ulangan. Yang pertama, kumpulkan semua data nilai ulangan. Lalu yang kedua, hitung berapa kali muncul data tersebut. Lalu yang ketiga, kita dapat memasukkannya ke dalam tabel frekuensi.
Oke. Soal jenis ini sudah dijelaskan ke siswa kan, Miss?
Oh ya.
Oke. Nomor 5.
Oke, Ayah membeli 3 barang dengan harga barang pertama 245.000, barang kedua 199.000, dan barang ketiga 210.000. Urutkan dari yang termurah hingga yang termahal. Yang pertama ada 199.000, 210.000, dan 245.000.
Okay. I think that is all our. I think that is all our evaluation for today. Thank you, Miss.